Far across the endless ocean, hidden beneath the shifting mists, lay the Crystal Archipelago, a chain of islands that shimmered like gemstones under the sun. According to ancient lore, the islands were created by the Elder Spirits, beings of immense power who once walked the earth, sea, and sky. Each island housed a fragment of the Heart of Eternity, a crystal said to hold the balance of the world's magic. For centuries, the island's magic protected the archipelago from harm, until one day, the fragments began to dim. Whispers of imbalance spread across the realms, and the magic faltered. In the quiet coastal village of Windhaven, 3 unlikely heroes were chosen by the Elder Spirits: Kael, a daring sky pirate; Mira, a gifted cartographer and water mage; and Rowan, a scholar and linguist. A beam of light emerged from the ocean, and the spirits' voices echoed in their minds. The trio's journey began at Embercliff, an island of volcanic peaks and molten rivers. Here, the fragment of the heart was guarded by the Inferno Drake. Mira summoned waves to cool the drake's fiery attacks, while Kael struck its weakened scales. Rowan deciphered runes to calm the beast. With teamwork, they retrieved the first fragment, and the island's flames turned to gentle warmth. The next stop was Lumina Tides, an island surrounded by bioluminescent waters. The fragment here was hidden within the depths, guarded by the leviathan of shimmering waves. Mira used her magic to part the seas, creating a pathway to the leviathan's lair. Rowan's knowledge helped them navigate the underwater maze, while Kael fended off shadowy sea creatures. When they presented a pearl as an offering, the leviathan granted them the fragment. At Verdant Spire, a lush jungle teeming with life, the group faced the Sylvan Guardian, a colossal tree spirit. The fragment of the heart rested within its core. The Sylvan Guardian tested them, conjuring illusions of their worst fears. Rowan's resolve broke the spell. Mira's water magic doused the Guardian's fiery wrath. Kael climbed the massive spirit to retrieve the fragment, earning the Guardian's respect. The island's once withered foliage bloomed anew. With 3 fragments in hand, the group sailed to Nexus Isle, the heart of the archipelago. Here, the fragments would reunite to restore the Heart of Eternity. But the island was veiled in shadow, corrupted by a dark force, the Shade Warden, a fallen spirit who sought to claim the heart's power. The Shade Warden conjured a storm of darkness, forcing the trio to confront their doubts. Kael's courage faltered under the weight of his past mistakes, Mira struggled with the fear of failure, and Rowan faced the fear of losing his newfound friends. But together, they overcame. Mira's magic illuminated the darkness, Rowan's words inspired hope, and Kael's blades shattered the Warden's hold. As the fragments united, the Heart of Eternity radiated light so brilliant it drove the shadows away. With the heart restored, the Crystal Archipelago flourished. The Elder Spirits appeared, their forms shimmering like starlight, and thanked the heroes for their unity and courage. "You have proven that unity and courage can overcome any darkness," they said. "The balance is restored, but the bonds you forged will guide you beyond these shores." Kael, Mira, and Rowan returned to Windhaven as legends, their tale inspiring generations to come. And far across the ocean, the Crystal Archipelago sparkled once more, a beacon of hope and magic for all realms.